Hello, I am Nahida. Welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I have a super easy and delicious fruit custard dessert recipe that is perfect for Iftar or any occasion. It's creamy, fruity and refreshing. Let's get started. First, in a small bowl, take 3 tablespoons of custard powder and mix it with 1/4 cup of milk. Stir well until it becomes a smooth mixture without lumps. Set it aside. Now in a saucepan, add 3 cups of milk and let it heat up. Stir occasionally and bring it to a boil. Once the milk starts boiling, add half cup of sugar and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar dissolves completely. Now slowly add the custard mixture, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Keep cooking for 3 to 4 minutes or until the mixture thickens into a smooth, creamy texture. Once thickened, transfer the custard in a bowl and allow it to cool completely. Once the custard is cool completely, now let's prepare our fresh fruit mix. I am using 1/4 cup each of chopped apples, bananas, red grapes, green grapes, some strawberries, and pomegranate seeds. Feel free to add your favorite seasonal fruits. Look at that beautiful color and creamy texture. For the best taste, refrigerate the custard for at least 2 hours before serving. This allows the flavors to blend beautifully. You can garnish with some fresh fruits on top. It will give a beautiful look to the custard. And that's it. Our creamy and refreshing fruit custard dessert is ready to enjoy. It's light, delicious, and perfect for Iftar or any summer day. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Ramadan Mubarak and see you in the next video.